Hey everyone, just wanted to share a project I recently finished. It's a table for our back patio. Just wanted to show you some of the pictures and some of the slides I created to share with you. I guess I'm going to call it the Patriotic table. That makes sense? Patriotic table? Yeah. So you'll see as we go through here some of the wood I used, some of the shapes I decided to go with. That right there is a 4x4 post that I'm going to put in between those two legs there. But I just kind of wanted to, again, just share with everyone what design I decided to go with. This is the very first time I've ever tried to build a table on my own, so it worked out pretty well. Kind of see what I decided to do here with some things to kind of make it work. I used nails on some of the exposed parts instead of screws because when you put stain over the top of nails it kind of makes it look antiqued, so I decided to go with that. But that's kind of the X-frame for the posts and the top there. And underneath I flipped it upside down to put that big 4x4 post in that you saw earlier that's coming up here again. And I used some really big 10-inch lag bolts to secure it. And it made the table really, really sturdy, so I'm glad I did that. It's a heavy, but it's sturdy. And that's kind of the design you'll see coming up. Now I did also decide to do blowtorch over the top of the table, and you'll see I tested that coming up here on a piece and it looked really good, so I decided to move forward with that, and I think you'll hopefully agree that it did look pretty cool. The next slide actually shows a better picture of it, and you'll see that there. Next slide is I did a little America symbol underneath on the 4x4 post. Kind of see that there. Again, it's a patriotic table, so I wanted to make it look cool. That's a really dark brown stain, and then you'll see here it does show a blue piece of arced tape. That's going to be, the left side of that will be the blue part of the American flag. So you can kind of see the finished dark stain. It looks really good. And then up here is this is the start or the base coat for the blue. And I put down a really dark, and then I sanded it and then put blue over the top, so it kind of looks like the blue part of an American flag. And you'll get to see that ongoing here as we get to the end, but it ended up looking really cool. I'll probably do another one, but you can kind of see what I decided to do. And that actual line at the end, I used the blowtorch to kind of blend the line with the rest of the flag so it wasn't as noticeable, and I think you'll agree at the end it looks really cool. So that's almost finished. I took a blowtorch again to the stars and some of the white on there on the table because it made it look antiqued. So the next slide will do a little bit more justice here. See how it kind of blends together and everything's looking more antiqued. But that's the finished product. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.